Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter.
Hey!
Sabay-sabay, sabay ang saya. From the harbor to the hills, puso ay iisa. Saludo kay Pres Fedorado, ang lambing ang tapang buhat ng mga tao. Kasama si VP Jojo Marmol, sa bawat problema sila ang sandol. Lahat ng officers laging ready, kahit pagod na still steady. May yakap sa bawat kwento, may ngiti sa bawat pinto. Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa Team Kalingap, forever matubang family. Kapit hanggang later, partners, angels sa isang altar. Proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa ating nag-aalabo. Hong Kong Kalingap, tayo'y magkaakbay. Kalingap puso, araw-araw na alay. Sa init ng araw sa kalsada, may mga kamay na laging abot saya. Community ng Hong Kong, buo ang loob, kahit malayo ramdam ang yakap ni Lord. Kalingap partners, Kalingap angels, tahimik na bayani sa bawat teble. Kape sa gilid, plano sa gitna, pangarap ng mahirap, sabay buhat natin to. Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa Team Kalingap, forever matubang family. Kapit hanggang later, partners, angels sa isang altar. Proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa atin nag-aalabo. Hong Kong Kalingap, tayo'y magkaakbay. Kalingap puso, araw-araw na alay. Kahit saan man mapadpad, may Kalingap na tapat. Sa bawat luha may agod na yakap, sa bawat gutom may lutong pangapunan. Sabay-sabay, Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa Team Kalingap, forever matubang family. Kapit hanggang later, partners, angels sa isang altar. Proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa atin nag-aalabo. Hong Kong Kalingap, tayo'y magkaakbay. Kalingap puso, araw-araw na alay. Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter.
Hey!
Sabay-sabay, sabay ang saya. From the harbor to the hills, puso ay iisa. Saludo kay Pres Fedorado, ang lambing ang tapang buhat ng mga tao. Kasama si VP Jojo Marmol, sa bawat problema sila ang sandol. Lahat ng officers laging ready, kahit pagod na still steady. May yakap sa bawat kwento, may ngiti sa bawat pinto. Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa Team Kalingap, forever matubang family. Kapit hanggang later, partners, angels sa isang altar. Proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa ating nag-aalabo. Hong Kong Kalingap, tayo'y magkaakbay. Kalingap puso, araw-araw na alay. Sa init ng araw sa kalsada, may mga kamay na laging abot saya. Community ng Hong Kong, buo ang loob, kahit malayo ramdam ang yakap ni Lord. Kalingap partners, Kalingap angels, tahimik na bayani sa bawat teble. Kape sa gilid, plano sa gitna, pangarap ng mahirap, sabay buhat natin to. Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa Team Kalingap, forever matubang family. Kapit hanggang later, partners, angels sa isang altar. Proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa atin nag-aalabo. saan man mapadpad. May kalingap na tapat, sa bawat luha may agod na yakap, sa bawat gutom may lutong pangapunan. Sabay-sabay, lovely kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa Team Kalingap, forever matubang family, kapit hanggang later. Partners, angels sa isang altar, proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa atin nag-aalabo. Hong Kong Kalingap, tayo'y magkaakbay. Kalingap puso, araw-araw na alay.
The 10,000 Buddhist pagoda is built on the northeast hillside of the monastery. Inside the pagoda, about 10,000 Buddha figurines line the wall. The pagoda is a traditional Japan-style square pagoda. Looking from the outside, the pagoda is a 7-story, double-eaved square pagoda. Inside, there are 5 stories. The pagoda has a pyramid roof. The spire at the top of the pagoda represents the Buddhist cosmology. Before the Sui and the Tang dynasties, the modular system was already used for timber construction. Tai was used as the basic measurement unit. It sets the height of a gong of the dou gong as 1 tai. 1 tai plus the height of a zi is 1 whole tai. The height of a tai is 15 fan. The thickness of a tai is 10 fan. The height of zi is 6 fan. The thickness of zi is 4 fan. The proportion of the height and thickness of a tai is 15 to 10. The height of a whole tai is 21 fan. According to Yingjiao Fa Shi, the height of tai is used for calculating and measuring dougong, girders, columns, and other building components. The sizes of tai can be classified into 8 grades. The first grade tai measures 9 inches high and 6 inches thick in Tang and Song dynasties. They are used for buildings of the largest scale and highest rank. The 8th grade tai measures 4.5 inches high and 3 inches thick. They are used for buildings of a smaller scale and lower rank. The application of different grades of tai is determined by the scale and size of the building. Qilin Nunnery of Hong Kong has adopted the Tang-style layout, layer division, and Tai-fan system in its design. More than 10 timber structures of different sizes were built. They include, for the main hall and the Hall of Celestial Kings, the chief timber structures. 2nd grade Tai is used for construction. The timber components can be divided into the column-based layer, Other timber components are also made of the second grade tie. The hall of Avalokitesvara, the hall of Vyasara Guru, the main gate, the praying hall, the covered corridor, the side gate, the double corridor, the reception hall, and the patriarch hall are built with 3rd to 6th grade tie. Looking at the monastic complex from the layout, from the proportion, aesthetics, and robustness of the structures, Qilin Nunnery of Hong Kong follows strictly the rules of construction of traditional architecture in the Tang Dynasty. The construction project of the timber architecture of Qilin Nunnery started officially in 1996. This huge project involves design, selection of materials, lofting, timber processing, inspection and trial assembly, testing and acceptance, and finally, installation. The whole process involves scientific management. Among the above working procedures, lofting is the most basic one. The carpenters only work with the help of a measuring rod to process the timber components. Qilin Nunnery has made use of both traditional and modern tools to carry out timber processing. The efficiency has greatly increased, and the quality of timber components improved. After completion of the preparatory work, wood processing, such as the processing of eaves column, will start. The workers first draw a cross-center line on a piece of wood. When they cut and plane the 32 slide lines, the piece of wood becomes round in shape. The workers draw the standard center line, that is, to draw the actual ink lines for tenon and mortise work. Other work includes cutting off surplus wood and the chiseling of mortises. The timber components have to be inspected twice before they are accepted. The first inspection uses the traditional method. Components are inspected by professional master crafts from Shaanxi province. They use measuring rods, calipers, and templates to conduct inspection and testing directly in the workshop so as to control the quality in time. The second inspection is to establish simulation models with the computer. The assembly of individual timber structures will be inspected as the project progresses. This method of inspection is the first of its kind in the world. Modern surveying and supervision techniques are applied for this traditional architectural project. The timber Buddhist monastery of Qilin Nunnery has undergone a thorough quality control process which covers all individual timber components and the whole timber monastic complex as well. A three-dimensional simulation database has been established and has guaranteed the quality of timber components. The method of inspection and acceptance is scientific and advanced. It provides objective, complete, and authentic data which are helpful for protection, management, maintenance, and research work in the future.
Kalingap partners, Kalingap angels, tahimik na bayani sa bawat teble. Kape sa gilid, plano sa gitna, pangarap ng mahirap, sabay buhat natin to. Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. Support sa team Kalingap, forever matubang family, kapit hanggang later. Partners, angels sa isang altar, proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa atin nag-aalabo. Hong Kong Kalingap, tayo'y magkaakbay. Kalingap puso, araw-araw na alay. Kahit saan man mapadpad, may Kalingap na tapat. Sa bawat luha may agod na yakap, sa bawat gutom may lutong pangapunan. Sabay-sabay, Lovely Kalingap Hong Kong chapter, sama-sama tayo ang karakter. support sa Team Kalingap. Forever matubang family, kapit hanggang later. Partners, angels sa isang altar. Proud si Kuya Val, si Kalingap Rap dito sa atin nag